Hey guys, Drew here with Brent Brown Toyota. Many people think about protecting their car during the winter months, but what about the summer months? Here are some tips to help keep your car protected during the summer heat. 1. Check your car's HVAC system. Nothing is worse than having your AC go out on a hot, sunny day when you have a lot of errands to run. 2. Check your battery. The heat can affect your battery just as much as the cold can. 3. Check your cooling system. You don't want your car to overheat. 4. Make sure all of your fluid levels are full. 5. Protect your paint by regularly washing and waxing your car. Or you can apply or have applied a protective film to protect your paint. 6. Install seat covers, or for leather seats, apply conditioner or moisturizer to keep your seats from cracking. 7. Tinting your windows is a great way to help reduce the heat in your car. 8. Using a Windshield Sun Protector is another great way to minimize the heat from your car. If you need to get your car ready for summer, you can schedule your appointment at BrentBrownToyota.com.